Hello my friends, in this video I will share with you very popular and very common Russian slangs that we, I mean native Russian speakers, use almost every day. Therefore please watch this video till the end. And first phrase sounds like this. Ёлки-палки. Ёлки-палки. Yes. What is that? You can ask me. And you should know that this phrase expresses admiration, surprise, and noise, and we can use this phrase in very different situations. For example, ёлки-палки, это очень круто. Ёлки-палки, ты еще тут? Ёлки-палки, зачем ты это сделал? Understand? I mean, when we are surprised to something, when we wanna express some admiration, annoyance, and really native Russian speakers use this phrase, use this slang in very different situations, not only when we are surprised to something. And really, if you will use this phrase in your Russian speech, for example, with your Russian friends, I believe that your Russian friends will surprise to this phrase from your speech, understand? It's like in English we can say wow or oh my god when we're surprised to something. In Russian we say ёлки-палки, ёлки-палки. But native Russian speakers sometimes can change this phrase, this expression, and we can say this phrase a little bit differently. For example, ёлы-палы, ёлы-палы, not like ёлки-палки. We can say this phrase ёлки-палки more shortly. I mean, instead of this phrase ёлки-палки, we can say like ёлы-палы. And when I prepared to this video, I tried to remember how native Russian speakers can use instead of this phrase ёлки-палки another other different phrase like ёлы-палы or ёлки-иголки, ёлки-иголки, ёлки-метёлки, ёлки-метёлки, ёлки-моталки, ёлки-моталки. Yes, and we even can say this phrase with like a big sentence like ёлки-палки, лес густой. Understand? Yes, if we will translate this sentence in English, it will sound really strange, and but you should know that native Russian speakers use this phrase very often, like ёлки-палки, лес густой, and ёлки-палки, ёлки-моталки, ёлки-иголки, ёлы-палы, ёлки-палки. Oh my god, very different ways how we can use this phrase in our Russian speech. Second slang. You know that there is this kind of English verb like steal. We translate into Russian like украсть, украсть. Instead of this word украсть, use sometimes another word, and this word sounds like стырить, стырить, стырить. I mean, when someone steals something. For example, he stole my wallet. Он украл мой кошелек. Он украл мой кошелек. But native Russian speakers use this phrase a little bit differently, and we can say like он стырил мой кошелек. Он стырил мой кошелек. Instead of the Russian verb украсть, украл, if talking about past time, instead of this verb украл, we use стырил. She stole lipstick in the store. Она украла помаду. Instead of the verb украла, we can use стырила. Она стырила помаду в магазине. Она стырила помаду в магазине. They stole money. In Russian we can translate like они украли деньги, like official way. Yes, but if use exactly Russian slang, we use it like они стырили деньги. Они стырили деньги. And slang number 3 sound like, for example, just imagine when, for example, he bored me, or I don't know, she bored me. He's so tired when I can't take it anymore. Understand? For example, yes. And in Russian we can say it like more official, more like I don't know, like normal way. We can say like он мне надоел. Он мне надоел. Or она мне надоела. Она мне надоела. But if you wanna sound like native Russian speaker, and if you wanna use Russian slang, use these two Russian words. What I mean? Он меня задолбал. Он меня задолбал. Or, of course, we can change this word in this sentence. Он задолбал меня. Он задолбал меня. I mean, I can't take it anymore, and because I can't imagine how he's bored me. He's tired of me. Understand? You can say он задолбал меня. Or она задолбала меня. Она задолбала меня. Они все задолбали меня. Or you can use a little bit different word like достал. Он достал меня. Он достал меня. Not like он надоел мне, because он надоел мне is more official, more normal. Sometimes, very often, we use Russian slang like он достал меня, or она достала меня, она достала меня, они just достали меня, они достали меня. Understand? So if you like this video, and I hope that you really like this video, because I really did my best to share with you these Russian slangs, please write in comments your questions for me, and subscribe to my channel, put like, and bye bye.